Yo, what's up? This is Owen1229 back at it again with another video. Yo! Yeah. And I'm here today with my iPad, and we are going to be playing against some noobs. And yeah, it's going to be Slither.io, baby, and we're gonna win. This is my first time doing this on these Pocket Edition games. And I have a lot of stuff to play, and this is going to be like a new series that I can start doing and stuff, and it's going to be sick whenever we do it, because it's going to be fun. So, let's just play against some random people online, and let's kick some butt. Okay. Hello. Let's just take all of that, you know what I'm saying? This is the good stuff right here. Alright, you don't have to, I'm sorry Jay, but you're going to have to die today. Oh, whoa, you trying to get me, Jay? Really, Jay? I thought we were boys. Come on. Oh. So if you guys don't know what this game is, then you probably... It's exploding kittens. That's all it is. And yeah. So let's just play with some strangers. Let's use that deck. Alright. Yo, you know what my name is, 0W31229. Come check me out. Jab! Okay, I'm so sorry, the dab is dead, and I, screwed my mic. Okay, so we are here, and we are going to be playing some Exploding Kittens. And I'm the bomb at this game, so I'm going to win. Bet you. First place, here we go. Okay, that is very bad. That is very bad luck. Okay. Kitten Banjo. Yes! Kitten diffused. Alright, let's just be a jerk. Let's put it on the top. Hide kitten, baby. Yes! Yes! That's right, that was me. I made him use his diffuse. That was all me. Yes. Okay, your turn. Okay, I don't really have any cards to give you, bro, so, let's give you that card, because someone put the card on the bottom, I bet you. Come on, boy. Alright, he's gonna shuffle it up. Alright. Alright, now it's my turn. I'm gonna see the future. Okay, this is horrible. Oh my god, what is my luck? Holy crap. Alright, let's double slap this guy, because we already know he used his diffuse and stuff. So let's get him. I don't have any freaking cards! Oh my god! Here! Use it! I don't care! I don't care if I lose. It's your fault anyways. Yeah, you're gonna see the future, you're gonna double slap me. Watch this. $1,000 on the line, right here. Boom! What did I say? You all owe me $1,000. Let's... I fear nothing. I am full of fear. Everything's gonna be okay. Come on. Yeah. Oh my god. Mother, I quit YouTube. Oh my. Let's play another game. Cuddlebug. Let's play against Cuddlebug and Honey Bunny. Alright. Yo, my YouTube channel, if you guys see this, 0W31229, then you gotta, if you see me playing and you're watching this video and you remember me because I beat you, then yeah, you gotta subscribe. I'm sorry, that's just my rule that I just made up like 5 seconds ago when you guys talked about it. Okay, let's do this. Haha, sucker! Alright, can't believe it. Alright. Alright, come on. Yeah, you keep getting exploding kids. Whoa! Let's go! I can't believe it. I got a good feeling about this. Alright, you exploded, boy. Let's go. Hey. Sorry, the dab's dead. I keep forgetting. Come on, I want to get in the game. Let's steal from you, bro. Come on. Come on, Padme. Woo! Should I use it? After a shovel. Yeah. Oh my god! Yeah, I'm just going to leave the unicorn alfalfa up there. Who cares? I don't. Let's put it third, baby. Let's go. Hide that kitten. Yeah. Okay. Double slap me. All right. All right. Woo. Woo. Hey. Woo. Woo. Hey. My alfalfa unicorn. Hey. Okay. Woo. You out, boy. You out. What? You out, Dr. Kitten. You out. Boom. Oh. That sucks, don't it? This is starting to bother me a little bit. Sorry, alfalfa unicorn. You're gonna have to. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Come on. Come on, do some, honey bun. Woo! That was a good one. Let's single slap that guy. Alright, so here's my plan. I'm going to single slap him. He's going to think that there's something bad. He's going to double slap me back, alright? And then I'm going to, so that way it adds up to be a triple slap. Oh, god dang it. That wasn't my plan. Not at all. Dang it. Oh, it's my turn. Oh, frick, I should have. No! Gosh, dang it! I freaking hate this game! Ugh! Alright, you know what? One more game. One more game. That's it. If I don't win this one... I don't know what I'm going to do. Gotta work. Alright. Oh, alright. 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 Ooh. Okay. Okay. Alright, my turn. First play of the game. There's no way something bad can happen on my first turn. There's no way. Alright, ready? Alright, for the first time in forever. It wasn't bad. Alright. It's a good note. Good note. But what's happening right now? What is... I really got... Oh, bro, these keep... Okay. Come on, come on, come on, let's go. 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 Come on, come on, come on, come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, let's go. Come on, double slap me back, bro. No, gosh dang it, mother. Whatever his name is. But if this goes good, we're winning this, bro. Here we go. Let's take a card. Oh man. Smash that like button, guys. It's a big deal. Oh man, 2 cards left. It's just me and him. 100% chance of it happening. Alright, the next card is a... I'm out. Good game, guys. Thanks for slashing that luck. Thanks for tapping that like button for me. I fear nothing. Thanks for tapping that like button for me, guys. But here's my utter defeat. Everything's gonna be okay, guys. If you tap that like button, because I will get very good feeling. And you guys got to comment. Thank you so much for watching. Click right over here to see a video that YouTube thinks you specifically will enjoy. Click right here to subscribe. And click right here to see a video that I think you might enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, please.